30 seconds so I can do more design for you. Apply all and tie the nails. Good amount. You make sure you get it all on the edges, because sometimes it's really have a curve there, and you don't get to that, then it's not going to chamfer if you don't have a chamfer foil gels on it. So here for 30 seconds. This one I'm doing it all and tie the nails. You can also choose to do just half of the nails or just part of the nails. I think it's like all nails looks good because it's really pretty much just transparent. So great. This one looks good though. I like that one. I'm gonna see here and start changing my mind, everyone. What do you think about this? Okay. Rose. I know the other one's Kai. What's a rose? 1 or 2? You tell me. Now I'm start picking all cool things so you can pick. Number 1s or number 2. Oh, this one, it looks good. That's my gloves. Ooh, I like number 1s. Actually, I'm gonna do the rose on this. Sorry, guys. Like I said, what? You said you're gonna do the other one. And which is amazing about this, you can choose where do you want to, like, I want to have a full rose on my, so I'm gonna do it right here. And lay that down. Really good pressures on. And you can feel like the salvage is getting right into the nails. Get my piece of paper, towel paper, and just give it a good rubs on, and then it will chamfer completely. Look at that, it doesn't go anywhere but in the nails. Beautiful. Imagine it, if you do this in background in black, it's going to turn out really great. Background in yellow is really contrast stunning. And if you're doing a background in the white, it's really pop up your coral flowers. So however you do it, you will never go wrong with this at all. Look at this. It's completely chamfered. Awesome. So we can do more. Like, I will sit here and do like 100 nails for you. But you gotta make sure you stay awake with me, because then I can show you. Okay, so let's do this and see how it turned out. Looks like it's elastic or what? It might be, it might not. It should be an elastic one. Yeah, I think so. Oh, it's really nice. I'm gonna trim that one. Hold on. Oh, it's nice. It had the thin line and the thicker line. I got it right here. On that. Right there. Everybody taking my here. If you prefer to do it on like a thinner line, I think it looks beautiful as well. Okay, cut, trim that. I drop it right there. So there's a rose go. Hold on. Ah, it stick on my hand. After we can trim it like closer and then buff it off. It's gonna come right off. This is really simple. Everyone can really do it, from beginner or from any of you who want to get your different techniques or different services in the salons. Looks great. If you're happy with this, you can just, you know, put for the best result. You see, I put the condensed glue gels. And I'm gonna cap this. Should I put any crystals on it? Should I leave it alone? Leave it alone. Okay, now leave it alone. So I'm gonna cap this really thin coat. So then your elastic strips, the rose gold, will never come off. Maybe the nails come off before your strips is come off. So I'm just cap it around that. You don't have to necessarily cap it completely on the chamfer foil, because chamfer foil arms go anywhere. And this is gonna apply the cap, the condensed glue gels in the top will help for the both on the stickers or elastics, because they're pre-adhesive, but then it's still nice to have a double secure, because you know why? Because sometimes the clients is, you know, using their hand to do a lot of things around the house, and then their top coat sometimes it come off. If you pay attention, they know that the top coat will wear off before they come to see you. I'm gonna do a white top coat and coating floating on the top of condensed glue gel, and then that's why is a lot of things will chipping off. So if you put one coat of condensed glue gels, it's like even a double secure for it. I love that, because in that is just helped me so much. So now when I sharing with the clients and doing it the client services, they don't have to worry about any of them are coming off or it's gonna be trace on me, you know. Okay, looks good. You see that how I blend it really nice, so then you can't even see any of condensed glue gels underneath. So now we are going to key it for 60 seconds, and this nail completely done. You don't need using a precision glue at all, because we don't have any crystals on this one. So another great slide tutorial tonight, everyone. Just to be sharing with you, to recap this quick, I'm using this frame bender to bend any of the tire frame, from a smaller one for the bigger ones. Sometimes we'll have the clients have really high C curve, and if you put the straight frames on it, it's really hard, and then it's just like you feel whole entire edges, even though you can still feel your precision glue to feel all the gaps and cracks and everything, but it's still nice to have that. This is cute little tools, and it gives us like really a peace of mind that it looks fit perfect. So only you need to do, let's say we have this little cracks right there. I'm gonna do this tomorrow, like have an Easter theme for you guys. And then you just bend it. And there's one, if you pay attention, there are two of them. It's one is smaller and one is bigger. And you can see that. Now it's like curved really nicely. If it plays on the nails, like that. It's placed on, it stay is like nice right on. You know, look at that. I'm gonna show you on the side. Somehow this nail is not dry. I didn't. You see that? How it stay nice on it. Really nice though. Okay. Just key it in. Huh. Just I don't know what I put it in there. This nail completely done, everyone. Look at that.